Everybody great?
All right, you met with the department rep. You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that charge?
Possible.
Okay, I'm going to set aside the default judgment.
All right, everyone, brace yourselves because today's courtroom session with Judge Pope is one of those deceptively calm dockets that ends up revealing way more about responsibility, second chances, and the real-life struggles people bring into court. We start with quick cleanups, old fines, forgotten cases, and bond issues, but then the tension rises when defendants show up years late, claiming medical problems, memory gaps, and new violations. And just when things seem to settle, we hit the biggest moment of the day, a full sentencing under Haida, where one woman has to face anger issues, employment changes, and a long list of probation conditions. Stay locked in because even without shouting or chaos, this courtroom drama carries real weight, real consequences, and real lessons.
Judgment is set aside. Plea is accepted. You can go down the hall and I think you have a bond. You can deal with them on that, okay? I don't know whose name it is. I don't see that right here in front of me. 225, if it's in your name.
Yeah.
Either way, go down and talk to them, okay? Thank you.
Clerk officer.
Correct. Scott Matthew Reno, 23B143113. But I have seated up here Natalie Brown at the table, my right, your left. Have you talked to your lawyer yet, Ms. Brown? I'm sorry? Have a seat there at the table. I'll be right with you, okay? Sir, your name?
Scott Green.
You're charged with failure to pay $285. So she posted a bond, but I don't see the amount here.
It was a personal bond.
Where you been?
What's that?
Where have you been on this case? This is a 2023 case. Why are we still fooling around with this?
That's gotta be 25. I just got pulled over a couple of days ago.
But you got pulled over on a new ticket a couple of days ago. This is from October 6th of 23 that I have.
I got diabetes and it's messing with my memory and
Do you work, sir?
yes.
Lisa, can you tell me how much? It says warrant canceled, bond posted, and I don't see anything in here. Did he post 285?
I don't see a bond. It looks like the warrant was canceled by the police department, but we have not received a bond.
Release on medical. Do you have all this to pay? 285?
I guess I do, yeah. You said I have to pay 285?
I'm asking you if you have the money now to pay this.
If I can make payments, no.
You've had 2 years to make payments.
Yeah, I
Can't do this, sir.
always forgot about it, didn't know about
Do you have anything today?
it. Yeah,
What do you have today?
probably about $100 maybe. There's 30, right?
Do you have $100? Yes?
Okay.
I'll tell you what, I'll set you up. You pay 100 right now. You can do that, right?
Yeah,
And then I'll let you pay this. I'll let you set up your own payment plan. How much can you afford to pay weekly or bi-weekly?
well, I'm getting paid.
You just need to tell me how much you can pay.
$100.
Sure, I don't need $100.
50.
When do you get paid next?
The beginning next month. The first of next month?
What kind of payments are they? Is that Social Security?
No, I'm on medical from Baltimore right now, and that's how they're,
Well, I'll let you, can you pay 100 today and $50 bi-weekly beginning on September the 22nd or not?
sure,
Are you sure?
yeah,
That's what I'll have you do. You pay 100 today, 50 bi-weekly beginning September 22nd. If you don't have the money, no problem. Call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay? Or you can come in. All right? Good luck to you.
thank you. Getting booked.
Where is Rockwood here today, Lisa?
There.
This has to go to Rockwood. This is a 771 case, Ms. Thompson. Where's Ms. Thompson? Okay, so you're gonna go follow this gentleman right here that's walking in. he's gonna take that file to the prosecutor. The review hearing date's in October, and you're gonna see if they'll dismiss it now, okay? Move to dismiss it now. So follow him. Thank you. Natalie Nicole Brown. 25F2589442. Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael A. Carmen, B73824. I'm a defendant.
Ma'am, your name. All right, so just give me 1 second here, if you would, please. Your client pled to disturb the peace. It looks like under Haida, right?
Yes, sir.
And the agreement was 3 to 6 months. Let me double check that one. So I'm confusing this. No, to be determined. So have you had a chance to review the report? Whether and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions? And by the way, is Michaela Harrison here? Michaela Harrison either here in court or on Zoom?
No, not on Zoom.
All right. You've reviewed the report, no material additions, corrections, or deletions?
Your Honor, there are actually two. My client is no longer employed at Hampton Manor. As of about 2 weeks ago, she is looking for work at the moment. And just a minor correction, her other child is now age 2 instead of 1. So I went through the recommendations of probation with my client. She knows what is going to be expected of her. Do not anticipate any problems whatsoever. Would ask the court to adopt those recommendations, please.
Ma'am, is there anything that you would like to say here?
Well, not just want to ask me questions.
I'm sorry?
Not just want to ask me a question.
Kind of lost your temper here, huh? 10 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. I'm not going to order all these different programs. I'm going to order anger management with 4-week follow-up. No contact with Michaela Harrison or Solomon Knighton. No contact with them. You're not to possess firearms. You're not to possess dangerous weapons. Do you understand that, ma'am? You're not to return to 25811 Valley Creek Drive in Flat Rock. Do you understand that, ma'am? Two days on the court work program, 1 day of community service. We're going to schedule you for 2 days on our court work program, which will cost $35 a day for a total of 70. 1 day of community service. I'm going to let you complete that. I'm going to give you all the way until October 31. So again, anger management with 4-week follow-up with firearms, no dangerous weapons. You're not to return to 25811 Valley Creek Drive in Flat Rock. No contact with the victim, Michaela Harrison or Solomon Knighton. Not to possess firearms, not to possess dangerous weapons. 2 days court work, 1 day community service by October 31. Fines are 100. Costs are 75. 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So your fines and costs are 300. Probation fees are 200. And your court work program fees are 70 for a total of 570 plus a screening fee of 60 for 630 plus attorney fees of 40. I believe that's 675. Is that right, Lisa? 364. 600.
I got 670.
670. So you pay 670. We're going to give you a review hearing date.
Looking back over this entire docket, one thing becomes clear. Judge Pope is consistent. Whether it's a small impeding charge, a 2-year-old unpaid fine, or a full Haida probation case, he approaches each situation with the same formula: clarity, structure, and expectation. Scott Reno walked away with a clean reset. The second defendant finally got a payment plan that holds him accountable without pushing him into deeper trouble. And Natalie Brown received a firm but fair pathway to earning a dismissal through compliance. These hearings may seem routine, but they represent real lives, real struggles, and real second chances. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed courtroom analyses just like this. Your support helps us bring more of these real-world legal stories to the channel.
You come back on that date. If you're compliant, the case will be dismissed. Do you understand that? You have 21 days to appeal and 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand that? All right, what is the review hearing date? So this should be end of June or early, very, very early July.
I figured out April, so hang on, let me get a different date.
Yeah, okay. Ma'am, do you have all this to pay? How much do you have today? I can't hear you. When can you pay this?
I think my son's SSI check on the 1st.
Your Honor, my client's asking for a payment plan, and she, for now, when she's unemployed, can she pay $100 a month, please?
Yeah, that's $100 monthly, and I'll start that beginning October the 7th. Ma'am, if you don't have the money on any due date, you call the court or go on Zoom, or you come talk to me on or before the due date. I'll be glad to give you an extension. Fair enough? All right.
June 25th at 9 o'clock.
June the 25th at 9 a.m. So you're going to get your notice. You're going to go over to probation. They'll go over the order of probation with you, okay? Any questions? All right, I wish you well. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Looking back over this entire docket, one thing becomes clear. Judge Pope is consistent. Whether it's a small impeding charge, a 2-year-old unpaid fine, or a full Haida probation case, he approaches each situation with the same formula: clarity, structure, and expectation. Scott Reno walked away with a clean reset. The second defendant finally got a payment plan that holds him accountable without pushing him into deeper trouble. And Natalie Brown received a firm but fair pathway to earning a dismissal through compliance. These hearings may seem routine, but they represent real lives, real struggles, and real second chances. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed courtroom analyses just like this. Your support helps us bring more of these real-world legal stories to the channel.